LED feeding, and here testing positive and negative. The speed is 70 pieces of every bubble in 1 minute. We set one wire long and one wire short. After this total 100. After 100 pieces, one wire is short. You can find it easily. Wire feeding. Insulator. Sleeve. Okay, this is the wire after soldering by my machine, and now I teach you how to twisting. This is the wire. This wire and this wire soldering with every bubble. We make two wires together like this. First, we cut the wire soldering with LED. Cut it a little shorter. And then we strip in these two wires. Stripping. Okay, now we fill with rosin. We can twist it first, then soldering, and dip with rosin second. Okay, here's soldering. After soldering, we put one sleeve outside. To cover soldering pot.
Okay.
One sleeve here, we use a lighter to heat it. You can also use a hair dryer. Okay, this okay now. And we can see it, we put it here. like this. Okay, we just test just 1 meter about, like this. See here. Here is the step switch. Okay, this is okay. Just a little, and then we put it like this. Okay, run 20. Okay, just okay. We can control the printing tightening not by your finger, like this hand, this finger. If you hold tightening, it will be tightened. If you lose, it's not press too much. Okay, see here. This we mark from machine. Here is shorter, much shorter than here. So we can find it easily. We just cut from here. Then from this bubble to the beginning, it's just 100 bubbles because we said 99 long wire and only one short wire. Okay, this is the short wire we want. You can see from here, it's longer, and this is very short. 明显吗? Yes, very easy to find. Okay, we just cut from here between the two short legs. We take it outside softly and then like this, just tied by the rest wire. Okay, then finish 20. Okay, finish. Okay, this is light after 20. First we need to straighten the wire. Okay, not too long, and we sorting it with the controller. We have two types of controller. One is this type, and another type is like this. You can see the controller shape have positive and negative here. Okay. You must know which is the positive and which is negative. We strip the plug. After soldering with controller and the plug, we just fill some glue to the cover and put this inside. Okay, then finish. This is one set of product. Finish. Now we solder in this type of controller. This is 8-function controller. If we press here, 8 functions can change. You must know positive and negative. Normally, here is positive, this side positive. Here is negative. We call this type two-way controller because here is 1, 2, and we also have 4 ways. Here four soldering ports, and we soldering with the plug. The plug will just soldering from here. Okay, then we fill some glue. Put the cover and then finish. This is another side. Controller different. Normally, this type of controller used for RG and RB. This used for single color. Okay, finish. 2 types.